Have you ever noticed something strange about the truly rich? Not the flashy influencers showing off rented cars, but people like Warren Buffett or Mark Zuckerberg, billionaires who dress simpler than most college students. Why do people who can buy anything choose to look like they can't? Well, it's not by accident. It's the most powerful money strategy you've never been taught. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the smartest financial secrets of the wealthy. Why looking poor might actually be the fastest way to become truly rich. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the people who seem average often end up owning everything. Let's break it down. We live in a world that screams, show it off. Social media tells you success means designer logos, fancy cars, and luxury vacations. Here's the truth. Looking rich and being rich are two different games, and they often fight each other. Imagine this. Someone buys a $2,000 suit to look successful. Another person takes that same $2,000 and invests it. 10 years later, one still has the suit. The other has compounding wealth. Looking rich impresses others. Being rich impresses your future self. Get ready by a great, powerful scene. Let's call this the Ferrari trap. Imagine someone gives you a Ferrari for free. You're thrilled. But wait. The insurance is 5 times higher, maintenance costs thousands, and even an oil change costs a fortune. The car didn't just cost you money, it stole your peace of mind. The wealthy avoid this trap by keeping life simple. They buy what works, not what wows. They wear plain clothes, drive normal cars, and focus on freedom, not flexing. Because when your possessions serve you, not the other way around, that's real luxury.
Let's talk numbers. Say you stop chasing upgrades. You keep your old phone, cook more at home, and cancel stuff you don't use. You save $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year. If you invest it with an average 7% return in 25 years, that turns into over $40,000. And if you keep investing monthly, you could be sitting on hundreds of thousands. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958, not because he's cheap, but because he knows money invested works for you. Money spent works for someone else.
Here's something most people miss. When you look rich, you attract people who like money. When you look normal, you attract people who like you. The flashy crowd drains your wallet and your energy. But when you keep it simple, the people who stay are the ones who care about your ideas, values, and dreams. And that's not just true for friends, it's also true for your partner. Someone who supports your goals while you're driving a 10-year-old Honda, that's the person you want building a future with you. We humans have something called the hedonic treadmill. We get something new, we're happy for a week, then we want the next thing. It never ends. But when you stop chasing upgrades, you start noticing the good stuff already around you. Your morning coffee, your cozy home, a quiet walk. Gratitude isn't just spiritual, it's financial armor. When you're content, you stop overspending. And that's how peace of mind turns into profit. Here's a wild math trick. If you can live happily on $30,000 a year instead of $50,000, you need $500,000 less to retire. That's 10 years of freedom bought just by living smarter, not harder. This is why the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, exists. People reaching financial freedom in their 30s and 40s, not because they earned millions, but because they stopped wasting it trying to look rich. Now here's the final power of looking poor. You get underestimated, and that's a massive advantage. A guy in a flashy car gets charged more. A guy in work boots gets the better deal. Looking modest makes people underestimate your wealth, which gives you negotiating power and freedom to experiment. You can start small businesses, fail, learn, and grow, while the look-rich crowd is too scared to risk their image. That's the secret of silent wealth. You build in peace, while everyone else performs in public. So what's the real lesson here? True wealth isn't about showing off. It's about building freedom quietly. You want to look rich? Buy things. You want to be rich? Buy assets. Every dollar you save and invest is a gift to your future self. So ask yourself, 5 years from now, do you want a closet full of trends or a bank account strong enough to buy your freedom? If this video gave you clarity, prove it to your future self. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, "I'm choosing the cloak" below, because in a world full of noise, the smartest people build their wealth silently. Thanks for watching. I'm Jake, helping you see how money really works. Stay smart, stay humble, and I'll see you in the next one.